What's up everybody, it's Top 10 Financial Ideas. Today, we're diving into 20 unique machines you can buy online to launch a profitable business with an investment as low as $500. Let's explore innovative tools that can help you carve out a successful niche in various industries. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we're about to blow your minds with 26 incredible machines that can help you start your own business, all for less than $500. That's right, you heard me. We're talking life-changing opportunities here, people. Whether you're a foodie, a creative genius, or just looking for a side hustle, this video is your golden ticket. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to dive into the world of entrepreneurship. Alright, first up, we've got a machine that's near and dear to my heart, the noodle maker. This isn't just any kitchen gadget. It's a game changer for noodle lovers everywhere. Starting at just $400. A noodle-making machine lets you craft gourmet noodles with unique flavors like buckwheat, herbs and spices, perfect for food lovers and specialty markets. Imagine this, you in your kitchen cranking out fresh homemade noodles like a boss. No more relying on takeout or prepackaged noodles. You control the ingredients, the texture, and the flavor. We're not talking about that dry store-bought stuff, no way. Fresh noodles have a taste and texture that's simply unbeatable. Once you try making your own, you'll never go back. This bad boy lets you customize flavors, colors, you name it. Want spinach noodles? No problem. How about beetroot or turmeric-infused noodles? The sky's the limit. We're talking gourmet, Instagram-worthy noodles that'll have people lining up around the block. Imagine the oohs and ahs when you serve these at your next dinner party. And the best part? You can snag one of these machines for around $400. That's a small investment for a lifetime of fresh noodles. That's less than a month's rent for some of you. Think about it. Skip a few dinners out, and you've got yourself a noodle maker. You could be selling your delicious creations at farmers markets, to local restaurants, even online. The possibilities are endless. Imagine turning your passion for noodles into a thriving business. With the right marketing, you could build a loyal customer base who can't get enough of your unique homemade noodles. Plus, making noodles can be a fun family activity. Get the kids involved, and turn it into a weekend tradition. It's a great way to bond and teach them about cooking. From classic spaghetti to exotic ramen, the types of noodles you can make are endless. Experiment with different recipes and discover new favorites. Your kitchen will become a noodle paradise. And don't worry about the cleanup. These machines are designed to be easy to clean, so you can spend more time enjoying your noodles and less time scrubbing. Just imagine the rave reviews you'll get from friends and family, and who knows, your noodle creations might just go viral on social media. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of homemade noodles and unleash your inner chef. With a noodle maker, the possibilities are truly endless. Next up, we're about to get our bake on, or just $200. This tool streamlines cake decoration, offering precision and efficiency for pastry businesses. It's ideal for custom orders and bulk production with a cake decorating machine. This right here is a game changer for anyone who wants to create stunning cakes without spending hours on intricate piping. For just $200, this machine will have you decorating like a pro in no time. Think about it. Birthdays, weddings, graduations, people are always celebrating, and what's a celebration without cake? You could start taking custom orders, selling your masterpieces to bakeries, or even teaching cake decorating classes. This machine is your ticket to sugary success. Now let's talk about a machine that's all about adding that personal touch, the ribbon printing machine. This incredible device is designed to bring your creative ideas to life, right on a ribbon. Whether you're planning a big event or just want to add a special touch to a gift, this machine has got you covered. Investing $400 in a ribbon printer allows you to customize decorative ribbons for events, branding, and packaging. It's perfect for businesses in the gifting and events industry. This beast lets you create custom-printed ribbons for any occasion: birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, and more. Imagine having a ribbon that perfectly matches the theme of your event, with names, dates, or even special messages printed right on it. It's a game changer for event planners and DIY enthusiasts alike. Baby showers, you name it. The possibilities are endless. You can choose from a variety of colors, fonts, and designs to make each ribbon unique. Think about how much more memorable your events will be with these personalized touches. It's not just a ribbon, it's a keepsake that people will cherish. You can even print logos and designs for businesses. Imagine the possibilities. Companies can use these custom ribbons for branding, packaging, and promotional events. It's a fantastic way to make a lasting impression on clients and customers. Plus, it's a great marketing tool that adds a professional touch to any product or service. People are always looking for unique ways to personalize gifts and events, and you can be the one to provide that special touch. From holiday presents to corporate giveaways, custom-printed ribbons make every package stand out. They add a layer of thoughtfulness and care that standard wrapping just can't match. And the best part? This machine is a steal at just $400. That's right, for a relatively small investment you can own a machine that opens up a world of creative possibilities. It's affordable, easy to use, and perfect for both personal and business use. That's a small price to pay for a machine that can print you profits. Think about it. Whether you're starting a small business or just want to add a new service to your existing one, this ribbon printing machine can help you stand out from the competition. It's not just an investment in a machine, it's an investment in your future success. Chapter 4. Mini Printer, Maximum Profit. At just $60, these compact printers are perfect for custom branding on clothing, packaging, and promotional items. Alright, this next machine is so small it fits in your hand, but don't let its size fool you. Despite its compact size, it packs a punch when it comes to versatility and functionality. Imagine having the power to create custom designs on the go, right at your fingertips. This mini printer is not just a gadget, it's a game changer for anyone looking to make a mark in the world of personalized products. The mini portable printer is a branding powerhouse. Whether you're an artist, a small business owner, or just someone who loves to add a personal touch to their belongings, this device is perfect for you. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their tech savviness. For only $60, you can print custom designs on almost anything, from paper to fabric and even on unconventional surfaces like wood and metal. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. T-shirts, tote bags, and so much more. Think about the potential for creating unique, one-of-a-kind items that people will love to show off. Phone cases, you name it. Personalized gifts are always a hit, and with this mini printer, you can offer a wide range of customized products that cater to different tastes and preferences. Think about it, everyone wants to rep their own style, and you can be the one to help them do it. By offering personalized items, you're not just selling products. You're selling a way for people to express themselves and stand out from the crowd. You could set up shop at local markets, sell online, or even create a pop-up store. The flexibility of this mini printer allows you to adapt to different selling environments and reach a wider audience. Even partner with businesses for promotional items. Companies are always looking for unique ways to promote their brand, and you can provide them with customized solutions that will make their promotional items stand out. This little machine is a money-making machine. With a small investment, you can start a profitable business that not only brings in revenue, but also brings joy to your customers. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on a mini printer and start turning your creative ideas into reality. Chapter 5. Meat Snacks on Autopilot, Calling All Foodies. Starting at $100, dehydrators turn marinated meats into high-protein snacks, catering to health-conscious consumers. This next machine is for you. The Meat Snack Dehydrator is about to revolutionize your snack game. For as low as $100, you can turn thinly sliced marinated meat into delicious protein-packed snacks. We're talking beef jerky, turkey jerky, even salmon jerky. The possibilities are endless. Health-conscious snacking is booming, and you can capitalize on that trend with this awesome machine. Sell your creations online at farmers markets, even to gyms and health food stores. Ever dreamed of launching your own drink or food brand? For $300, this tool lets you seal beverages and foods in glass or aluminum cans, perfect for launching your own drink or snack brand. Well, now you can with the can sealing machine. This beast lets you seal beverages and food products in aluminum cans like a pro. For $300, you can say goodbye to messy jars and hello to sleek, professional-looking packaging. Imagine your own line of craft sodas, cold brew coffee, or even gourmet soups. This machine opens up a world of possibilities for aspiring food and beverage entrepreneurs. Next up, we've got a machine that's all about adding that personal touch, the engraving machine. For as low as $300, an engraving machine lets you personalize jewelry, home decor, and corporate gifts. For as low as $300, you can personalize jewelry, phone cases, water bottles, you name it. People love custom gifts, and this machine lets you tap into that market. Think about it. Personalized gifts for weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, the possibilities are endless. You could even engrave promotional items for businesses. This machine is a surefire way to carve out your own niche in the world of personalized gifts. Last but not least, we've got a machine that's built for those who like to get their hands dirty. Starting at $300, this tool ensures smooth concrete pouring for flooring and paving projects. The portable concrete mixer, this beast lets you mix and pour concrete with ease, making it perfect for small-scale construction projects. For around $300, you can start tackling those DIY projects around the house, or even offer your services to others. Think about it: patios, walkways, small concrete slabs. The possibilities are endless. This machine is perfect for anyone who wants to get their hands dirty and build a successful business from the ground up. Boom! There you have it, 10 incredible machines that can help you launch your own business for under $500. With an investment of $500, create custom candles for gifts, home decor, and wellness brands. From noodle making to concrete mixing, there's a machine out there for every passion and skill set. So what are you waiting for? Take that leap of faith, invest in yourself, and start building the business of your dreams. Which machine got you hyped? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome business ideas and money-making tips. Until next time, peace out.